If you've been using Telegram for a while, chances are you've accumulated a mountain of photos, videos, and documents, sometimes without realizing just how much space they're taking up. Today, I'll show you exactly how to permanently delete Telegram files from your mobile device, freeing up crucial storage and making sure your sensitive media is truly gone, both from your phone and from Telegram's cloud. By the end of this video, you'll be confident your Telegram files are cleaned out for good. Let's dive straight in by tackling what's stored locally on your device. When you view images, videos, or audio files on Telegram, the app saves temporary copies in your phone's cache. These files pile up over time and can quietly hog a lot of space, even if you think you've deleted them from chats. Managing this cache isn't just about saving storage, it also ensures no one browsing your device later stumbles on old Telegram media. Start by opening Telegram and tapping into the Settings menu. From here, look for Data and Storage, then tap on Storage Usage. Telegram lays out exactly how much cache is built up, sometimes it's surprising. Here you'll spot an option labeled Clear Telegram Cache. Go ahead and tap that. You'll get a prompt to confirm, so take a moment to read it. This action deletes only those files stored locally on your device without touching your actual Telegram messages or cloud storage. Don't worry if the process takes a few moments, especially if you've been active in group chats sharing lots of media or haven't cleared your cache in a while. This step alone can free up gigabytes of space and make your phone move a little faster. Now, if you want to be extra thorough, you can use your phone's file manager. On Android, try Google Files or whatever file explorer you prefer. Navigate to the internal storage and look for a folder named Telegram. Inside, you'll find further remnants of downloads or cached files. Review these, and if you're sure you don't need anything, go ahead and delete them manually. This is kind of like cleaning out the hidden corners of a closet. Sometimes you'll discover a forgotten video or backup. But here's an important detail. Clearing your cache and deleting local folders does not remove the messages or media from Telegram's cloud. That means if you had important or private media in Messages, those files are still accessible from other devices or even by chat partners. To make sure files are really gone from everywhere, including Telegram servers, let's take the second crucial step. Open Telegram, head into the chat, group, or channel where you want files and messages erased forever. Find the specific messages, photos, or documents you want to delete. Tap and hold to select them. On Android, you can select multiple, which makes batch deletion easier. Tap the trash can icon. Here comes a super important part. When Telegram asks if you want to also delete for other person's name, or delete for everyone, make sure you check that box. If you skip it, you'll only delete the message on your side and copies may remain for other members. Once you're sure, tap delete. Remember, Telegram's platform is designed with privacy in mind, but true deletion only happens when you confirm removal for everyone. Take your time with this step, especially if you're clearing sensitive conversations. Double-check your selections before clearing them out. And that's it. You've now permanently removed Telegram media and messages, both from your phone and from the cloud. Your device should have more breathing room, and you've taken an extra step to protect your privacy. If you found this tutorial useful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And if you ran into any hiccups or have questions about deleting files, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm here to help. For more easy, in-depth guides like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.